Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Cryptomania app, especially if you're brand new and just getting started. So let's dive in. Now, once you open the Cryptomania app, you'll land on the home interface. The first thing you want to do is tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, this one. And then from here, you can sign in or sign up. Now, to do that, you want to click on sign in. And then if you don't have an account yet, you want to tap on sign up and then choose to register using your email or Google account. So let me go ahead and register using my Google. All right, well, after completing it, you'll instantly see your profile and a welcome rewards, which you should tap to collect. There we go. Let's close this. Now, inside your profile, you can already view your virtual balance, rankings, and tournaments and trading stats. You can also log out or delete your account from this section if needed. Now let's head back to the home screen. Here, you'll see several features like daily rewards, challenges, tournaments, the shop, top investors, and premium trades. To actually start trading, you want to tap on Start Trading right here. Once you do that, you'll be shown a quick tutorial, which you can watch or simply skip. Now, once you're inside the trading interface, you can practice buying and selling assets using virtual money. You can also earn more rewards by joining tournaments and exploring modes like Invest Empire. Now, if you want extra features, you can go ahead and tap Go Premium or Pro mode to view subscriptions plan, but this is totally optional. Finally, you want to tap the three lines at the top right corner of the screen to access settings, notifications, community options, and privacy policies. And basically, that's it. That's how you use Cryptomania app to practice trading with no real money risk. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!